Check it out, you guys. I told you it was coming. Now I just gotta get rid of that trailer. Look at that. Oh, he's got my washer on the back. That's hilarious. I just now saw that. Look at that. The video as it's going, bye-bye. Wonder what my neighbors think. Since I moved here, like, I get rid of a lot of stuff. I can't help it. There's my dog. I don't know, somebody left their bicycle on the outside of my fence. Boy, my yard looks gnarly. I need to clean it. I'm looking like the icky one in town. Alright, I'm pausing this. This is totally insane. I cannot believe that I'm actually saying goodbye to this 1953 bread truck that I've done so many videos on. I really like this little truck. I'm really glad I crawled around in it. I'm really glad that the kids in the neighborhood did. Four of the boys in town are in Idaho visiting family. So they're gonna come back and find that it's gone. It'll be interesting. Old bread truck. Got it on there. Look at the dirt coming off the end of that. Whoa! Crazy! Oh, look at that. He's heading out. Now we're gonna work on getting rid of that trailer. Pretty soon I'll just have a view of a field. Nice, guys. And then look, there's the last of my washer. Man, I hope they drive safely. Look at that! The view of the trailer. Well, Linda's gonna have to watch my channel. She'll probably catch this video. She'll probably catch this video in the next day or two, or I'll talk to Cheryl, my other neighbor, and she'll let her know. I guess I could text Linda. I guess I could actually send her the video. Duh. Wow. That is insane. Watching it drive off. And now there's no truck there anymore. That's crazy. Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys. This is December 31st. There's my little handsome boy. There's my handsome boy. Yeah, it's cold outside. Want to go inside? It's cold. All my jackets and sweatshirts, hoodies, everything I put in the wash. So all I have is this really thick robe that I'm wearing and a blanket over the top of it. Oh, there's Alan. I wonder what he thinks about it being gone. Man, my yard looks so awful. I have to clean this mess up. It looks terrible. My focus this year, I think my goal this year, starting in spring, is to completely revamp this and bring it up to par to where it does not look trashy. I don't want to be the trashy neighbor. I just don't want to be that person. Even if I'm the only neighbor out here. That's an Airbnb. Alrighty. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.